In this section, you will learn about the different kinds of data you can work with in your Python programs. You will also learn how to use variables to represent data in your programs. So here, we will write a simple code here, which is hello world. Print hello auxiliary world. And here, let's take a closer look at what Python does when you run this script. As it turns out, Python does a fair amount of work even when it runs a simple program. So when you run this code, you should see this output. So when you run our main.py file, the ending py here indicates that the file is a Python program. And your editor runs the file through the Python interpreter, which reads through the program and determines that what each word in the program means. For example, when the interpreter sees the word print, here, when interpreter sees the word print followed by parentheses here, it prints to the screen whatever is inside the parentheses here. As you write your programs, your editor highlights different parts of your program in different ways. For example, it recognizes the print is the name of a function like this here, and displays the word in one color. It recognizes that hello auxiliary world is not a Python code here, and displays that fares in a different color. As you can see here, it's green, it's purple here. So the feature is called syntax highlighting, and it's quite useful as you start to write your own programs. So let's get started with variables. So let's try using a variable in our main PE file, and let's add a new line here. So we will message, and here hello auxiliary world here. And after that, we will use print again, print. Maybe if I raise the font size a little bit so you can see better here, 35. Okay, nice. So now we're gonna use print message. So now let's run this program again and see what's happening here. As you can see here, hello auxiliary world again. So we have added a variable name and named the message, and every variable is connected to a value, which is the information associated with that variable. In this case, the value is hello auxiliary world. This is the text. And adding a variable makes it a little more work for Python interpreter, and when it processes the first line, it associates the variable message with the hello auxiliary world text. And when it reaches the second line, it prints the value associated with the message to the screen. Now let's expand on this program by modifying this file to print a second message. Here we will add a blank line to here, and then we will add two new lines to the code. Now message, and here auxiliary Python training, and or course, right? And here after that we will also print this message. So remember, these are the same variable names here. So now when you run this code, you will see this message. So you can change the value of variable in your program at any time, and Python will always keep track of its current value.